long-term versus short-term teaching in Thailand. What's up mga kanaisers? In my previous video, sinabi ko na meron kayong mga dapat i-comply na documents if you want to teach in Thailand. Today, I will be sharing about long-term versus short-term teaching dito sa Thailand. Ano yung mga difference nila at ano yung mga dapat nyong tandaan if you want to stay here or work here long-term. Dito sa Thailand, ang mga foreigners na hindi graduate ng education ay pwede pa ring magturo, pero for short-term only. Ang Ministry of Education dito sa Thailand ay nagbibigay ng tinatawag na temporary teaching license for those who want to teach in Thailand for short term. Each temporary teaching license ay valid for 2 years if you stay in the same school. If nag-move ka naman ng ibang school kahit na hindi pa nag-expire ang iyong temporary teaching license, it's okay. Pero take note that there is a limit on how many times you can avail on this temporary teaching license. Ang tanong, ilang beses ka bang pwedeng mag-apply ng temporary teaching license? The answer is 2 to 3 times. Pero meron ako mga narinig na they can apply up to 5 times. However, that was before and iba na ngayon. If gagamitin mo ang iyong temporary teaching license to the max at hayaan mo siyang mag-expire, then renew ulit, then you can work as a teacher for 5 to 6 years dito sa Thailand using only temporary teaching license. Take note na if hindi pa expired ang temporary teaching license mo and you move to another school, you will have to apply again for a new temporary teaching license at magsa-start ulit ang count from the time na nag-apply ka until 2 years again. You can't work on a temporary teaching license from another school and ilipat mo lang sa kabilang school. That is a big no. Syempre, if may temporary teaching license, meron din namang permanent teaching license. If you want to work in Thailand for short term only, then temporary teaching license is enough. Pero if you want to stay here and work for long term, then you need to apply for a permanent teaching license. You can only apply for a permanent teaching license kapag meron kang temporary teaching license. So first, you need to get a job as a teacher. And I've never heard of someone applying for a permanent teaching license nang wala silang job kasi the school will apply for you or the school will help you apply for it. They will comply with the documents. You will need to stay with the school for at least 1 year and then after that, you can apply for a permanent teaching license. And if you watch my previous video about the documents that you need to comply when you want to work here as a teacher, then ando na ang mga sagot, ano ang dapat nyong i-prepare kapag gusto nyo mag-work here long term. If you plan to work here for 7 or more years, then you need to comply the proper documents para mag-extend or para mabigyan kayo ng permanent teaching license. If you have a permanent teaching license, sa pagkakaalam ko, pwede kang mag-move ng school kahit every month pa yan. And you can use it for 5 years nang hindi nag-expire. Of course, magre-renew ka lang after nitong mag-expire and then you can use it again for different schools. You can use it for different schools, but I recommend that you work long-term for 1 or 2 schools and of course, upgrade to lang ng upgrade if you have the chance to find a better job or you have a chance to apply for a better job. The reason na may temporary teaching license ay dahil ang Ministry of Education ay binibigyan tayo ng grace period para mag-prepare ng mga documents natin, para mahanda yung mga kailangan natin, mga permit, mga licenses from Philippines, mga certificates natin from seminars and training, and everything else related to license application. If nag-expire na ang mga temporary teaching license mo at hindi ka na makapag-extend, then ask your school for help. They will definitely help you, especially if magaling kang teacher, and they will find ways to extend the grace period given to you to prepare the documents na kailangan mo. Pero para iwas sakit ng ulo, mag-prepare ka na before ka pa pumunta dito. So to summarize, short-term teaching is 1 to 6 years. Long-term teaching is more than that. I will make more videos about teaching in Thailand, pero that's it for now. If you have more questions, then comment down below and I will do my best to give you the most accurate answer. See you guys next time. Peace.